Alright, let's talk about how to remove the headlight on a 2015 Nissan Leaf. We had hit a deer with our Leaf and we had broke the tabs on our headlight assembly and the side marker assembly. And so I ended up with an extra headlight assembly when I bought the new one. I repaired the old one for the weeks in between the time I got the new assembly by epoxying the tabs back on the headlamp. But anyway, there are 3 bolts. They're just 3 bolts that hold the headlight assembly in place. To get to those bolts, first of all, you'll take the 2 bolts on your side marker off, and then the side marker is spring-loaded with a little clip in a ball that goes into the headlight assembly. If you remove 2 bolts here from the side marker, then the side marker will lift straight up, and then you can get to the rear tab on the headlight assembly, which is this one right here. The second bolt that holds the headlamp in place is underneath this cover. This cover is held on with these clips. These little clips take this cover loose. You'll see that the second tab right here on the headlamp assembly is right about here underneath this cover. And then with this cover removed, you can get to the third bolt that holds the headlight assembly in place, and that's the one that goes into this clip right here. And this is the most structural, strongest point of attachment for the headlight assembly. And that bolt is goes in actually sideways. It's in between the fender and the headlight assembly, and it goes sideways across in there. And if you, with a ratchet and a 10mm socket on it, you can reach your arm down through the hole that's underneath this cover and reach over to the side and get to that bolt. Once those 3 bolts are out, you'll detach your wiring harness so that the wires are disconnected from the headlight assembly. And the front end of the headlight assembly right here, there's this clip that engages the bumper cover. So the headlight assembly will be loose, and then you just need to pull it straight backwards. Just kind of wiggle it off from these clips that are holding the bumper cover. And then you'll have your headlamp assembly out.